What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this very cute Christmas themed set. And starting off, I'm going to be using my red on all of the nails, and then I use this white and this glittery red to do the pinky and the index finger. Here I am doing the candy cane pattern. Starting off, I make my lines. The first one is the thin line, the second one is the two thick lines to, represent on how thick I'm going to make it, and then repeating the same pattern on the whole nail. Next up, you're just going to want to make a plus shape with the dotting tool. and then go in and put lines in between the plus shape, and then make V lines coming off of each of the lines that you just made. I hope that makes sense. It can get a little confusing, but you can see what I'm doing in the video. Once you are complete with that, you go ahead and grab your glitter. After outlining what you just drew, dip it in and cure it. And once you've dipped it and cured it, then you're going to take some kind of brush. This is my brush that I'm using. I got it off of Shein. I think it's linked in one of my haul videos. If you are interested in getting this exact one, it has like a little paw in it. And you rub off the excess glitter. Up next, I'm going to be doing the present nail, and it's pretty simple. You just draw a line straight down the middle of the nail. Once you're complete and you like how thick the line is, you're going to go in and do another line in the middle, connecting it to make it look like, you know, wrapping paper. And then I take my solid glue, because for my big gems, I like to use solid glue so it doesn't slip and slide around whenever you're trying to cure it. And after you dust the glitter off, sometimes there's some already still on there, so I take a brush with some alcohol on it and just wipe off the excess glitter that you don't want on the solid art. here is the final look at the nails. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!